Welcome back today. I'm diving deep into the latest developments surrounding Faraday Future, covering what went down today, some critical data points, and my thoughts on Omar's recent interview. First, please hit that thumbs up button, and let's get right into it. Starting with the numbers, Faraday Future stock dropped by 9.54% today. Many investors were taken aback because they expected Omar's interview to push the stock above 50 cents. However, based on my experience, significant stock movements require an 8K filing to indicate new information. When the interview was released without an accompanying 8K, it was clear that no substantial news would be shared. During the interview, it was explicitly mentioned that no new information could be disclosed, resulting in more regurgitated content rather than fresh insights. Today, there were no official news releases or SEC filings. The market reacted to broader trends, with negative sentiment fueled by hotter-than-expected initial jobless claims. Additionally, there's been a recent shift away from riskier stocks, with investors preferring companies with stronger balance sheets and better liquidity. Faraday Future, unfortunately, does not have the best financials, making it a less attractive option in the current market environment. Short interest in Faraday Future increased by about 33K shares, with 9.04% of the free float being shorted, totaling 39.52 million shares. Utilization was at 64.39%, with a short score of 65.96 and an average borrowing cost of 12.73%. Through interactive brokers, there were still over 10 million shares available for shorting. Most of today's trading volume was driven by algorithmic trading and market makers capitalizing on the broader market's negative sentiment. In the options market, there were 144K call options and 63K put options, with 56% of today's options activity being bearish. The open interest for calls at the 50 cent and $1 strike prices were 29K and 36K, respectively. For a gamma squeeze to occur, Faraday would need to close above $1. Even if the stock had closed above 50 cents, it would have only affected around 2.9 million shares, a relatively small amount. Overall, 50.85 million shares were shorted today, out of a total of 131.07 million shares outstanding. This wasn't a great day for Faraday Future, and now let's transition to discussing the interview. Omar conducted a solid interview, asking pertinent questions, despite being restricted by legal constraints. It's common for legal teams to vet questions in advance, limiting the scope of what can be discussed. Omar did well under these circumstances, but the interview left many investors wanting more concrete information. Leading up to the interview, there was speculation about a deal with the UAE. However, Matthias mentioned they were still looking for partners, suggesting that a definitive deal might not be imminent. This subtle but significant detail might have gone unnoticed by many. The interview also lacked updates on crucial topics like bridging partnerships, which investors were eager to hear about. During the interview, Matthias explained the need to raise the authorized share count due to the company's current financial constraints. This implies potential dilution, which is not what the market wants to hear, especially in an environment favoring companies with strong balance sheets. Faraday reliance on debt and the lack of concrete updates on partnerships and the UAE deal left many investors disappointed. The interview seemed more focused on promoting the upcoming shareholder meeting and the proposals to authorize more shares and conduct a reverse stock split. This focus did not provide the clarity or confidence that investors were seeking. The company did not present any new or tentative deals, leading to skepticism about its future plans. Today's events and the interview did not inspire much confidence in Faraday Future. The interview provided some insights for new investors, but lacked the substantial updates that long-term investors were hoping for. As always, I encourage you to do your own research and form your own opinions. Let me know your thoughts on Faraday Future, Omar interview, and your investment decisions. Please share your thoughts on this update in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.